Back to our coverage of the 2026 blizzard. It has been something, hasn't it, Ann?
Yeah, well, it's not over yet, is it, Bob Wilson, who we find inside at the Command Post Center. And we have to tell you, love the sweater.
I do too.
Thank you. I'm warm in here. They keep it really warm, so I'm
Good.
getting ready to take it off here in a minute. But it's hot here in the command center because it's where everything's happening. It is on fire. You can see they've got everything going here. We're joined by state meteorologist Josh. He's going to take us through what are we seeing here behind us?
Yeah, Bob. So we have a lot of different state agencies here. We have about 24 between state agencies and some of our private sector partners. And we're really just monitoring the conditions right now, like many people are doing at home, like your meteorologists are doing. We're looking at anything from radar to where the snow is falling the hardest, where the winds are the strongest. We're looking at power outages, tracking all of the power outages throughout all of the power providers. And you can see on all the screens out there, one of the big things is obviously the road conditions out there, looking at the road conditions and the deteriorating conditions that we continue to see throughout the state.
And deteriorating because we've met blizzard. It's officially a blizzard.
Yeah, we have. So we've officially met blizzard conditions in Groton, Meriden, and also out in Waterbury. So that's 3 consecutive hours with a visibility below a quarter mile, in addition to frequent wind gusts over 35 miles per hour. So
we've been driving around Hartford. You can see, we're going to show you a video of just the wind whipping, trucks stuck in the snow, people just trying to stay warm. It's a lot out there, even as the storm, we're heading kind of towards the afternoon hours.
Yeah, and I think that's the important part, right, is the storm is winding down, but the cleanup is just beginning. So we're seeing drifting snow. We're going to see drifting snow even into the overnight hours, and that's going to make that cleanup even extended beyond when that snow stops. So the snow stopping later this afternoon, the cleanup, though, likely well into the day tomorrow and well into the rest of the week.
Absolutely. Well, appreciate you taking the time to kind of explain what's going on here. This is the hub. They just had a big meeting. They wrapped that up. They're kind of continuously talking to the people here inside the EOC. They activated at 5 o'clock yesterday. And then they meet like every half hour, every hour. 11:30, I believe, is going to be the next major briefing here at the EOC. We'll keep you on top of that. I'm Bob Wilson reporting live in News 8.
He's wearing the best sweater. It's sweater weather, Bob.
Sweater weather. She's from Long Island. Sounds just like it's sweater weather.
Outfit.
Okay.
Thanks, Bob. We appreciate it.